Understanding the phrase, Lone Panther, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Our focus is on understanding the phrase, Lone Panther. This intriguing expression offers a window into the richness of the English language, and we're here to explore its meaning and usage together. Lone Panther combines two words, lone and panther. Lone refers to someone or something that is alone, solitary, or without companions. A panther, on the other hand, is a powerful and majestic wild cat, known for its strength and grace. When we say, Lone Panther, we're typically referring to a person or entity that is independent, strong, and possibly isolated or solitary in their actions or nature. The phrase, Lone Panther, is often used metaphorically. For instance, in literature or movies, a character might be described as a lone panther, to highlight their independence and solitary strength. It's not just about being alone, it's about being resilient and capable in solitude. In everyday conversation, calling someone a lone panther could imply they are self-reliant and perhaps a bit of a loner. Let's see some examples of how Lone Panther can be used. 1. Despite all challenges, she remained a lone panther, forging her path with determination. 2. In the corporate world, he's known as the Lone Panther, making bold decisions without seeking approval. 3. As a lone panther of the art world, she creates masterpieces without following the trends. Sometimes, similar phrases are used to convey a comparable meaning. Phrases like lone wolf or solitary eagle also depict individuals who are independent and strong. Each animal in these phrases brings its own connotations, but the theme of solitude and strength remains consistent. I hope this exploration of the phrase, Lone Panther, has been insightful and adds to your understanding of English expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and imagery those words can create. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English.